Okay, my dear students, suddenly I have changed my mood and today I am giving you a topic to speak. As we know very well that we all think that we are the best in the world. We Indians are the best, we Americans are the best, we British English are the best, we Frenchmen are the best. And when we talk about a small level, we say that our class is best, our school is best, we are best, and that is not good or like that. So, what I want to s- ask you to speak upon that, how can we improve our, you know that very well that there is no one in this world who is perfect, whether it is a human being or any non-alive object. No one is perfect, you know very well. So, what should we do to perfect ourselves? This is my today's topic. And first of
सर
all, I am calling Harsh. Yes,
सर
Yes, sir.
बोल हर्षित, बोल फटाफट.
सर मेरा नाम आ गया क्या?
आ जाएगा, नहीं आया तो जाता क्यों है, कहाँ भी नहीं आया वैसे तेरा नाम.
सर डाल तो दिया मैंने रक्षित के बाद।
रक्षित डाल दे इसका नाम भी. यस हर्ष, कम ऑन.
सर रक्षित के
Yes,
बाद
sir.
मेरा तो था।
आ
Hello,
गया.
good
हाँ.
hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is what should we do to improve us. So there are many countries and many people in the world who who think that they are the best in the world and no one is as good as them.
एस दे.
But
बोल बोल बोल.
as they are.
हाँ ऐसे.
But but this is not reality,
हम्म,
as god does make us like that. Each person has an good ability and has an bad ability. Like if a person is good in studies, then he must not be good in sports.
हम्म,
So like that, every person has an ability and has an disability.
हम्म,
And there are many things which we should do to improve us. Like we should not be overconfident. We should think of more. We should think of others more than ourselves. Like if a person has good ability and that ability is not as good as that ability is not good for us,
हम्म.
या फिर we are not able to do it, so we should learn from it. We should not be jealous of him or her that he know how to do it and I don't know, and I will make loss of him. This will be loss of humanity. And if you know anything and you are not telling to the person who is not perfect in that thing, then if any in any other field, if you will not be knowing more, then he or she will not tell you. So these are the most important things that you should develop in yourself for making you a good person in your life and matured and improve humanity. That's it.
Very good. Try to express your views in a few words. Don't try to take more words. Try to describe your thoughts in a few words
Okay, sir.
as much as possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you how we can become a perfect man. So, as we know that the population of the world is very high, and not every person, and or we can say, each man in the world is not perfect. Everyone has some abilities everyone has some disadvantages or advantages. Like if a person is very good in sports, we can take the examples of the gold medalists like Neeraj Chopra, and these types of players are very good in sports, and they are also a good athlete. but to become perfect in sports, they have done a lot of hard work, and uh, behind their hard work, and they could not be able to study much in in their lives. And as we know that there are many people in the country who says a lot a great things, or we can say a lot of things about their country, that their country is the greatest country in this way, in that way. And these are the people when something went when something happens in the country or about the country in against, then they people started trolling the country, and these peoples only sometimes in the favor or in against of the same against of their own country. And as we know that as we know that there are many people there are many people in the world living in different countries. Like a Frenchman thinks that he and his country he sorry a Frenchman is proud on his or his country and all things of his country. In this way, all the people think good of himself, and all the people think good things about their country. And as you know that we should as a good person, if we want to become a good person, then we should remove the bad things from the society and put the good things by providing extra efforts in the society, so that there would be there can be sorry sir so humanity can be developed, or it is present, or it can be exist in the society. That's it.
Okay. ठीक है. Yes, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I'm telling about the ways to improve ourselves. So, as you all know that in this world, anything is not perfect, because there is no age of improving and developing ourselves or anything. And because when you because if you ask people about a thing that if you ask people to find the disorders of a thing, then you will find many disorders about the thing. And if you on think about the thing, then you will also find many mistakes and disorders.
Hmm.
So we can so this so we can see that anything is not perfect in this world. Everything has its own bad qualities along with its good qualities,
Hmm.
like like and we no and to improve ourselves, we we should try to improve the good, and should try to keep the good always with us, and to try to remove the bad that we find in ourselves. and and sir, that's it.
Okay. Very good. ठीक है. Yes, now Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman on the literature classes from 16 and also from 18. And today our topic is that what can we do to improve ourselves. So, as we know that we are human being, and God has made us same. Same means we have two hand, and we have two ears, we have two eyes, we have one noise, and similarly others has its same. Like a Englishman has same things, and Chinese has same things. But and also God has given us same mind, but it depends on us that in which way are we using it, in good way or in wrong way.
Hmm.
And in our India, the most thing is that education. Education is the most thing.
मोस्ट थिंग नहीं, मोस्ट
Uh,
इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, अकेला मोस्ट से थोड़ी आता है.
Education is the most important thing
Hmm.
because if we have education, so we can do everything.
Hmm.
And but in our India, in schools and in colleges, editing is the main biggest wrong thing.
Hmm.
And and by it, our new generation is losing their mind and thinking capacity. They are forced to iterate these things, and iterating is the iterating is not good for our mind. If we want to increase our mind, so we should solve mathematics questions, and we should think at a high level, not sir
Hmm.
नीचे क्या कहते हैं
Hmm.
नीचे लेवल पे
Not
नीचे लेवल
not
पे
to lower level.
yes, sir. Not to lower level. And in our in every country people take alcohol, gutka, and drugs, etc., and these things are very harmful for our health.
Hmm.
So at last I want to say that we should pick up good things in our life. So that's it.
Right. Okay. Yes. Now, Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and today my topic is what should we do to improve our country. We all know that there are many countries like America, Japan, Russia and and others. All countries are developed than India because in India there most of the people are illiterate
Hmm.
and in other countries most of the people are educated and other countries they सर लगाने को क्या बोलेंगे
क्या लगाना?
वे अपने पैसे लगाते हैं
They invest their money.
they invest their money in schools and publicly also and uh, we can improve our country that we should take education in different ways and we should take education in better way
Hmm.
and if we if we can if we can improve our country we should take many good decisions and we should we should we should throw away to we should throw away dirtiness into our societies
From our
and
societies.
from our societies and we think we can think good and maturity in our minds and in the Bharat um, most of the people took sorry take education and think better way and we should uh, we can mostly work to improve our Bharat. That's it, sir.
और अच्छा करो थोड़ा सा अभी. सुनना जरा अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को, खुद ही पता चलेगा तुम्हारे को, है ना? और थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा इसको. यस लक्की.
सर उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है वो नहीं बोल
अच्छा
पाया
अच्छा, ओके, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ भाई, हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is how to improve ourselves. As you all know very well that there is no limitation to learn anything. No one in this life can be perfect. Uh, uh, from the beginning to the end of our life, we may learn many things, and to improve ourselves, there are many methods we may improve ourselves in the field of education, in the field of sports, and in the field of and also in our developing in our health, and in improving ourselves in education is the one of the most important part of a student's life, because as he has to pass the classes, and to pass the classes he need not to iterate the things, he should understand the things that what are those things are saying to him. So to improve himself, the first step is this, that he must leave iteration and start solving the questions or in mathematics properly, and understanding the things in other subjects. And to improve ourselves, we may take the help of the person who are elder to us, and also from anyone who is all around us and he is educated, then he will give you the most valuable thing that will be very improving in your life. And improving in our life is one of the most important part of our life. It begins from the beginning of our life and ends in the end in the death of ourselves. And in this time period, we may improve ourselves in many ways and make our name in the society. So, and in improving ourselves, if we improve ourselves and we develop a magnetic field in our mind, so that it may be so that we are able to uh, find solutions of anything, then we may make our parents proud, and our also our teachers to proud on us. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। अच्छा बोला सब लोगों ने। एक अचानक मैंने टॉपिक दिया था आपको, तो वेरी गुड, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यू आर गुड गोइंग, गुड डूइंग, वेल वेल डूइंग, कीप इट अप, शाबाश। थैंक यू।